Hello everyone, welcome to Liquidity Master Team and our Facebook page name is Market Maker Community. This week is very boring and we not make money enough, but we are still in profit near to uh, 200 pips. Let's see. I will show how market behave this week and why we will not take any trades. Okay, first of all, we have a CHF JPY pair, and now you can see we have a daily break of structure, and this is order block. Okay, and now we want to trade on here, but we are using confirmation, and now you can see H1. Okay, if market break this high, this order block, then we will look bullish. But when market is down for pullback, market not give any confirmation for pullback. This reason we are not taking sell entry in this pair. Okay, this reason we are silent. This move is wasting time because we have not any confirmation and we will not take any trade, okay, for reversal. And this is trade in trend, but we need to wait for H1 break of structure, and we will wait. This is your break of structure, okay, and this is your break of structure shift. If market break this high, then we will take trade on this CHF JPY pair. But market is drop, but we have not any structure and we have not any confirmation. This reason we will not take trade on this pair. And dollar index, and now you can see we have a bullish order flow because market will retest this order block, okay. And we have a weekly forecast on this pair, and you can see market retest our breakup block and market retest and market is going up, okay. But if we look on euro USD and GBP USD, and now you can see you have a bearish order flow on Euro USD, but market not give any structure shift. You can see this is our first structure shift, and we have other block on here, but market not retest. This reason we are not take any trade. And now we have a break of structure and we have a bearish order block, and now you can see market will take the time for retest. This reason we are not take the trade on this pair. And we have a GBP USD. We have a GBP USD, and now you can see that now we have a change of character, okay. And market not retest this order block on this trade. With this reason we are not take the trade. Now we have a bullish break of structure, okay. But no, you know that we have a bearish order flow. This reason we are not taking any bullish trade. This reason we are waiting for break of structure shift on. You can see if market remove this area, then we will take for reversal, and it means market will take this high and this other block, okay. This reason we are not take trade. Second, we have a Euro AUD, and now you can see that we have a bearish break of structure and we have a bearish order block, okay. But you can see not have any break of structure for pullback move. This reason we are not taking on trade on Euro AUD, and still we have a liquidity level. If market after liquidity level we get break of structure, then we will take trade and for pullback move, okay. Second thing, EuroCAD, and now you can see that we have a break of structure, okay. And we have a first order block on this area, this, and market will miss this order block, okay. And I am take the trade and in premium, and this is our order block for retesting this order block, but market stop loss hit 29 pips, okay. And if you look on this, this is your liquidity sweep, and this is your break of structure, and we have a order block on this area, okay. But order flow is done. If you look on weekly time frame, that market have a take the high and market will take the low, okay. Second thing, we have previous month high and candle close it below, and market not take the low, it means market again take low, and market will drop. This reason we are not taking this trade on bullish. Okay, it means that we have a long-term bearish move. For this reason, we are not want to take trade on this area. On this area, we are waiting Euro GPY, and now you can see that we have a Euro GPY win trend. But if we look on daily time frame, this is our order block. Okay, we are waiting for market retest this order block, then we will take in continuation trend. But we want to take trade and reversal. Market not give any break of structure, and we have not any reversal confirmation. This reason we are silent. Okay, Euro NZ, and now you can see that we have a Euro NZ, we have a break of structure. Okay, we have a break of structure. Okay, and we have order block on this area, we have order block on this area. Okay, but now you can see if we go to monthly time frame. Okay, this is your previous month low and previous month high sweep. It means market will take this high. Okay, or market will this high. Okay, but we have not confirmation on this area. Now market is near to our level, we will use confirmation, then we will take bullish entry and market on way. Okay, and this reason we are not taking the trade in bullish, because we have a liquidity level like retail support. Okay, this reason we will not take on daily time frame. We have a CRT running, finally market take the low, and we have a weekly time frame. So we are waiting for bullish from here, but we will use confirmation. Now you understand that market will take the time, and we have a Euro USD. I am already explained this reason we are not taking trade. GBP AUD, and we have a GBP AUD, and you can see that we have a weekly time frame. Okay, and we have a order block, and here is the liquidity. This reason we are not want to take in anti-trend, we are waiting for liquidity sweep, and then we will look bullish for long term. This reason we are waiting on this pair, market retest this order block, then we will take in bullish entry. This reason we are silent if we are going to H4 time frame. And now you can see on monthly time frame, first of all, that we have inside candle, we need to sweep this level and we will look bullish. But now finally market sweep this level and we are looking bullish, and finally today market sweep this level, then we will look bullish. And now this reason we are waiting, because inside is very important, and we have a equal low, so market sweep this level and we will look bullish after break of structure. And if we are looking GBP CAD, and we are going to daily time frame, and we have a break of structure, and this is our order block. Okay, but now have a trade is ready, because we have a break of structure shift, and we have a order block on this area. If market retest this area, okay, then we will look for pullback. Okay, if market retest this order block and continuation, then we will take the entry. And understand that market will take the time for retesting and this order block and retesting. So we are silent, and we have a GBP CHF, and now you can see that we have a GBP CHF break of structure, and we have order block, market little come down, and finally market reach our level, and finally our liquidity is done. This reason we will not take the trade, because market missed our order block. And we have a GBP JPY, and we go to daily time frame. Okay, and we have a daily time frame. This is your order block, and this is your break of structure. Market will retest this order block, then we will look bullish for bullish continuation. But market is down, we are waiting for pullback. But you look here, market not give any confirmation, not only have a break of structure. This reason we will not take the trade. We are silent because we believe on this, that we have not break of structure, we have not valid order block, and valid not valid any entry. Okay, GBP NZ. Okay, now you can see that we have a bearish order block. Okay, and this is your stop hunt area. Okay, and this is your change of character, and market is going up. Now you can see that we have a liquidity sweep, and we have not any order block shift. Now finally market shift the order block. It means we will take sell entry from here because we have a confirmation area. Now you can see that we have not any structure shift on bearish. This reason we are silent, because market not shift, and we will not take the trade. Okay, if we look on weekly, on monthly time frame, that what is long-term views, and now you can see that we have a monthly CRT running. It means weekly, and market will take this low. Okay, and if we look on monthly time frame, let's say that we have inside, and market take the inside high, and now market structure shift. It means market will break this low. It means that we will look sell entry from here, and target is main is this. Market will take this low. Okay, now structure shift. Now we will take the trade, and now you understand that now weekend is end. GPY index, and we are waiting for structure shift, but market not give any structure. This reason we are not taking on bearish GPY pair. Here is a market high and low, and we have a other block on this area, but now we have this is our liquidity levels, because we have a fresh fair value gap is here. This reason market will trap this, and market first of all we need to wait for structure shift. Okay, and now this is your supply zone break, and market will retest this other block. Then we will look bullish, and we will use confirmation, and we have a Nasdaq. And now you can see whole week market take the Nasdaq range, and now we have not any strong confirmation, but we look monthly time frame, and finally we have a monthly sweep high, and we have a monthly high is this. Okay, and we have not any strong confirmation on H4 time frame, and we have a break of structure like this. You are have break a structure, and we have other block on this area, but this move is good, but we are missed on this pair. This is very bad. This trade we missed. Okay, NZCAD, and we have, you can see we have a break of structure on this area, and okay, and we have a order block on this area. Market missed this order block. This reason we are not take the trade. NZJPY, and now you can see we have NZJPY on daily time frame market structure, and we have order block. Market missed this order block, but liquidity sweep. Now we are want to take the trade. First of all, our liquidity level is done, and first we will focus on liquidity level, then we will use structure shift and market fair value gap. Okay, now we have as 4 fair structure shift. If you look on this break of structure, okay, and we have a order block on this area. If market on this order block, then we will take the trade, but we have not any confirmation for selling or buying. If market approach on this order block, then we will take the trade. Okay, US30, and we will not trade on US30, and you can see that you have a break of structure, and this is your order block. That is your inducement main structure is bullish. This reason we are not taking selling trade. USD CAD, and now can see we have take the USD CAD this week in premium. We have 30 minutes time frame. Market have accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, and second main structure is bullish. We have a break of structure, and we have a demand zone market retest, and confluences AMD pattern, and order block, and we will win this trade in premium. we have a USD CHF. If we are going to H4 time frame, now you can see that we have a break of structure on this area. Okay, we have a other block on this area. Market missed this trade. Okay, market missed this trade, market missed this trade, and now we have a break of structure, for example, and we have a this is our border block. If we look on that, is your liquidity level. We are looking bullish from here, we are looking bullish from here, but main structure is coming, and this is your bearish. It means market will retest this order block. If we will take trade on this area, our risk reward is not good. Now we are waiting for market to retest this order block, and we have a main structure shift. It means market will come down on this order block. It means that your internal structure, and this is your main structure. And we have a USD JPY, and now you can see that we have a break of structure. Okay, and we have other block on this area, but market will not break of structure any, and market will not retest this other block and not have any confirmation for selling, because we need to wait for structure shift for selling. And now you can see that we have a simple we work on this pattern. Market stop hunt, market change of character, market retest after this other block, then we will take the trade. But here is not any confirmation like this. Okay, and we have a gold, and now you can see market is a gold in range. Okay, when you have a range, it means market maker making a trap. Okay, and this reason we are silent, and we need to wait for first big move, bearish or bullish, then we will take the trade. This is best strategy. No need to look in lower time frame like M5 M15 time frame, because in H4 time frame market have range. If market retest sweep this area, then we will look bullish. Okay, if market take this low, then we will look bullish, because we have a accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But if we look on H4 order block, and now you can see we have a demand zone. Okay, and we have a demand zone, and we have a fair value gap, but main order block is this reason gold will drop anytime, and because we have a valid order block, market will retest this order block, but now still in gold range. This reason we are silent, and now you can see that we have inside like this, we have inside this range. If market take the high, we will look bearish in short time frames for short move, short term. Okay, but in range, we will not want to take trade. We will see in next week. Okay, and BTC USD. Okay, and we have a daily time frame, we have a break of structure, we have a break of structure, and now you can see in daily time frame we have inside. Market take the inside, market will take the inside low, then we will look bullish. But if you look on the H4 time frame or H1 time frame, let's see, if we are waiting, you can see here is our liquidity level, here is our demand zone. This is the reason we will not take the trade on this area, because we have inside on daily time frame. We need to wait for liquidity level, this break, or market will take this low. Okay, okay, I hope Euro GBP we share trade with you in free and premium channel. And now you can see this pair is very stupid. We have a break of structure, change of character, we have a break of structure, we have taken the buy trade, but whole week in market range. This reason we are close the trade on break even, because very stupid pair. And finally we have a NZ USD. First of all, we have a daily order block. Okay, and we have a change of character on this area, and we have a break of structure. Okay, this is your stop on, and we have a order block on this area. Okay, and we have a order block on this area, it means that is trade is ready because we work on this is your break of structure, and we will wait for market stop hunt, change of character, the stop hunt, order block retest, and then we will take the trade. Now this time is trade is ready, but in daily time frame the market will take the time. This reason we are stay away from market, because everything in confusion and not have any proper structures, and if market gives the structure but market not retest the order block. I am sharing my all analysis and all trading plan, but understand the market will not retest on this. Don't worry, it is part, it is very well done, well good time, because we are not any uh, uh, take trade, aggressive trade. This reason we are silent. So I hope we will make money tomorrow, next week, and then we will look. And I am waiting another structure shift, any other block retest, then we will share with you. I am monitoring the market, okay, but I want to explain this, that this reason we are not taking the trade. Thank you.